Hey y'all, this is Phil with TRC. We're at a project not too far from our Crown Point siding project. We're in Schererville, so 5 minutes from our shop. Right behind me we have this nice tri-level home that in about a couple weeks we're going to do a full total renovation. The siding as well as windows, and we're going to do a composite deck in the backyard as well. A lot of people aren't using their chimneys like they once were, so we're actually going to be demoing some of this. So this entire 2-foot kick out, we're going to be closing this off, brand new plywood on the entire house, and then we're going to be doing a Mastic hardwood vinyl siding with a nice decorative header board right by the gables. If you have this type of siding, maybe you're in Northwest Indiana, this is actually about 30 to 40 years old. So this is the original. So unless you maintenance this, paint it every 5 years or so, it's susceptible to that dry rot. Also with wood siding, you'll see some woodpecker marks. This one's not too bad. We're starting to see some near that chimney. So that's kind of the trade-off with the cedar or the natural type products. And then the windows, we're gonna be doing Andersen windows here, the 100 series. We're gonna have the glider windows, similar to the ones above. It'll be white on the outside and white on the interior. And then the fascia soffit you see here, this is that Tudor brown, we're gonna go white. So gutters, fascia soffit are all gonna be brand new white. So the roof, another outfit did the roof about 10 years ago. And the challenge when you're doing roof with a kind of a tongue and groove style siding is gonna be the step flashing, which they didn't really do there. They kind of did a makeshift on that roof line. So when we strip this old siding, do new, we're gonna assess the roof, all the step flashing, and then do a custom bend so it prevents water getting inwards from the roof. Even though we didn't do the roof, we're gonna just make sure everything's working together. So we're also gonna be doing brand new Andersen windows on the back here, so these 3 ones, and then we're gonna be updating to a nice Andersen sliding patio door, which is gonna be getting switched with internal blinds. Then they don't have to have the curtain rods in that kitchen. And then if you look here, so they built this deck about 30 years ago. So we're gonna actually remove all of this, strip it all down, and then we're gonna rebuild a brand new 15 by 15 composite deck. Product we're gonna use, it's called TimberTech. It's one of the best composite decks out there. And a cool thing we're gonna do a little different, we've never really done this before. We're gonna actually build this out, so siding, and they could actually use the underneath of the deck to utilize as storage. It's dead space, so let's close it up and they could actually use underneath the deck as well as start utilizing the above with a limited maintenance product. Brand new deck here, and we're gonna build out 2 little doors that they could use stuff and put stuff under there as well.